Hi, story buddies. Today we have brought the book Peppa Goes Swimming. Peppa is in the swimming pool. George is standing on the side with his armbands on. George, says Daddy Pig, why don't you try putting one foot into the water? George does not like putting one foot into the water. Wah! Maybe try both feet at the same time, suggests Mummy Pig. George tries both feet and jumps into the swimming pool. Well done, says Daddy Pig, but you don't need to splash quite so much. Rebecca Rabbit arrives with her little brother, Richard Rabbit. Miss Rabbit finds a float for Richard to use. Hold on to this and practice kicking your legs, Miss Rabbit says. George, you can try too, says Mummy Pig, finding a float for him. George and Richard do lots of kicking and splashing. Big children do not splash, says Peppa, swimming out of their way. George and Richard get out of the pool. They have spotted a toy watering can. Whee! Squeals Richard, pouring water all over Daddy Pig's head. George and Richard have lots of fun until Richard drops the watering can into the pool. Oh dear! George and Richard both start to cry. Wah! Daddy Pig takes a deep breath, then dives under the water. Daddy Pig pops back up again. He's holding the watering can. Well done, says Mummy Pig. Ho ho, snorts Daddy Pig. I am rather good at swimming under the water. Now, can we jump off the diving board? Asks Peppa. Diving boards are only for grown-ups, says Mummy Pig. Cheer up, says Daddy Pig. You can watch me dive. Please don't splash us with water, Daddy, cries Peppa. Daddy Pig does a super duper high dive. No one gets splashed. Time to get dry now, says Mummy Pig. Daddy Pig doesn't need a towel to get dry. He does a big wobbly shake instead. Daddy, says Peppa, you have splashed everyone with water. I hope you guys enjoyed this book. We will be back with such more stories. Till then, bye.